can't even get her butt up.
What is that?
Woo! Oh, that was so cute.
Oh my goodness. She knows we have the camera out.
She does this every time we let her out.
Oh, where'd she go? Oh, let me cough up along. Hold on. Princess is just like flicking the flies off her face for her. I'm surprised Gypsy lets Princess be over there.
Yeah. They fought about it the first couple of days that we let her out, and then the baby got bigger.
Central Maine's country, Big Idea.